Hey everyone, it's Ashley from Career in STEM. We're going to do a quick video about Floor Plans 101. So a main component of a civil engineer's day is designing and collaborating with architects to develop floor plans. So before anything can get built, it has to first get drawn out. So what we're looking at right now is a floor plan for a house that they're converting into a bed and breakfast. My husband owns a construction company here in Connecticut, and he's with me. He's gonna just kind of help us walk through. So right now we're looking at the floor plan. So the outside, I'll try to point to it, these outside parts are the outside walls, and then each box is its own room. The darker lines show where there's going to be walls that they have to add. So the architect draws it up in collaboration with civil engineers. The civil engineers are the ones that investigate things about the earth and the slope and the mechanics and the pieces that go into the house. And then the architects draw it up to scale. So the scale is always listed. It's a lot of math just going back and forth to figure out what is actually what in real life. And that's part of what my husband does, is he takes these plans and then makes actual stuff with it. So elevators are going to be in this house. So again, civil engineers would have to figure out what's under the ground and then how to construct things around that. Then they give that information to the architect, who then draws it up. So my husband does a lot of work with tile. So can you explain what we were looking at here in the bathroom?
Here in the bathroom, we were looking at the vanity, the toilet, and the shower stall.
So the icons, they're not just random shapes, they actually mean something. So he would take this information to know where to put stuff. And then again, looking at the scale to know how he needs to lay out the tile.
And over here are the dimensions of the bathroom, which is 5 feet and 8 inches wide by 4.1.
So again, just a lot of math going back and forth. And every room or floor in the house has its own page. So can you turn the page here?
Sure. This is the first floor.
So that's the first floor.
We're going to the second floor.
And here's the second floor. So again, similar things, just the layouts, the rooms themselves. So each floor has its own plan as well. And then one other thing I wanted to point out is before, like I said, before anything is actually done, these plans have to be approved. So the architect submits them to the town. The town has to approve it to make sure everything is safe and goes with all zoning laws, regulations. Then it gets stamped, and then the builders can actually start to build, which is where my husband comes in. So Floor Plans 101. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a question on Edmodo. And I do have friends that are civil engineers, and they'd be happy to work with you. Oh, is this one?
It's the third floor.
Here's the third floor. So is all this dark because they have to build a lot of new things?
That's correct. It's all brand new walls that will be built
So that's
in
going to
this
be
existing building.
a big shebang. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.